We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at Ferris's new Z3X. So the thing that does make this model new is the fact that this has the 2023 60-inch cutting deck from Ferris. This does have a different shape than the previous 61-inch cutting decks that you had. They did revamp it to give you better airflow and discharge. It does have your greasable aluminum spindles. This does have your greasable cast iron spindles. Here we have the 37 horsepower EFI Vanguard engine. This also does have the Vanguard Oil Guard system. So this is going to burn your oil at a lower temperature, which is going to give you longer intervals between your oil changes. Here we have your cutting height adjustment. It's going to cut between 1 3/4 and 5 inches. Around back, this does have your soft ride suspension system here. Has your thigh pad. Ultimately, this is going to give you top tier comfort. At the top, we have your control panel, has your throttle. There is no choke since this is an EFI engine. We have your 11-gallon fuel tank here that is centrally located to keep things balanced, as well as the Hydro Gear ZT4400s. This does have your rubber chute. It has top forward speeds of up to 12 miles an hour. Once again, this is the Ferris Z3X. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, we have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.